Okay, as you can see, I already started filling in some of these circles here with the corresponding colors that you need to mix. So we have our Model Magic clay here, and we are just mixing in order for us to get our secondary and tertiary colors. Primaries are already here for us. Here's the yellow. And what I've noticed is to fill in these little circles, all you need is a really small amount. You don't need a whole lot. So I just take a little pinch, and then I need to mix with blue, which is my other primary, to make these other colors in here. So first I'm going to try to create my secondary color. So I take a certain amount of yellow, just a pinch, and then I want to take a little bit of the blue here, take a little pinch of that. So I probably use about 2 equal parts and mix these guys together to make the green. You're going to just set it onto the circle and you're going to press down. You don't need a whole lot. You could just press it into the paper here. Just make sure it's nice and neat all the way around. You can see that. With the small amount that I had there, I can cover this whole circle. So that could be our secondary color. And you could do it a couple different ways. You could have mixed a little bit more of the secondary color, then added a little bit more blue to create this color, and then on the other side just added a little bit more yellow to create that color. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a little bit more yellow, and then I'll take a little pinch of blue. So this part of the project shouldn't really take you too long. I think you should be able to finish at least doing this part in a day. The Illustrator part and additive color, using the additive colors you're putting together in Illustrator, should take about a day also. And then you have time to work on the poster. So I'm just smearing this tertiary color in here. I'm going to make sure that you mix it pretty well. You can see I didn't really mix it that well, but it still looks like that. The right color green. Alright, so now we're going to mix a little bit more blue and a little tiny pinch of yellow here. We want more. Once you're finished creating your 12-step color wheel with your tints and your shades, for your tints and your shades, you're just taking a hue. So I would take a primary hue. Like, you could take any hue, but I'd rather you take a primary blue, red, or yellow, and then you can put your primaries on the left, and then you work your way over to the right with your tints, which would be adding white to it, and then your shades would be adding black to it. And once you finish, what I want you to do is you're going to take a picture by either using your phone or using Photo Booth on your computer, and you're going to upload this. You're going to upload this, make sure you have your name on it, along with your digital version of this. So the digital version should be easy. You just finish it in Illustrator, you have all the colors set, then you upload that. You're also going to upload the version that you're mixing your clay. I'm going to bring in some plastic bags so that we don't have to waste clay. You shouldn't be using a lot of clay. This is a little too much. You just need a little tiny bit. I decided to create the circles this year just because we ran out of clay last year, and I want to save as much as we can this year. So I don't want people running out of clay. It should just take a little pinch of each color. That's all you need. This is too much, this is too much. A little pinch It should just coat it, but be neat. Make sure it's within your circle there. Don't have it, sloppy and messy all over the place. I want you guys to be neat on this. All right. So that's it for your first part of the project.